Good day, folks. Today, we will be digging deeper into the world of rental businesses. So, let's get started. A rental business is a type of business that provides goods or services to customers for a temporary period in exchange for a fee or payment. The concept of renting allows individuals or businesses to access and use items or services without the need for long-term ownership or investment. Rental businesses can cover a wide range of industries and items, including but not limited to cars, apartments, equipment, tools, furniture, and even digital media. In a rental business, the owner or company typically acquires and maintains the inventory or assets that are available for rent. Customers can then rent these items for a specific duration, paying either a fixed fee or an hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly rate. The rental terms and conditions, including the duration of the rental, the payment structure, and any additional fees or requirements, are usually outlined in a rental agreement or contract. The rental business benefits from generating revenue through the rental fees, while customers benefit from the convenience, flexibility, and cost savings that come with temporarily using the desired item or service without the long-term commitment of ownership. Getting started in the rental business requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to help you begin. Research and identify a niche. Determine the specific market or industry you want to target for your rental business. Consider factors such as demand, competition, and profitability. It could be anything from party supplies and equipment to construction machinery or vacation rentals. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your objectives, target market, pricing strategies, marketing plan, operational structure, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your rental business and help you make informed decisions. Secure funding. Evaluate your financial needs and explore funding options. You may choose to self-finance, seek loans from banks or investors, or consider crowdfunding. Ensure you have enough capital to acquire inventory, cover operational costs, and sustain your business during the initial stages. Acquire inventory. Identify reliable sources to acquire the items or assets you will be renting out. Purchase or lease the necessary inventory, ensuring it is in good condition, meets safety standards, and is suitable for your target market's needs. Consider factors such as durability, maintenance requirements, and scalability as you build your rental inventory. Set up operations. Establish a physical location or online presence to showcase your rental offerings. Create a user-friendly website or online platform where customers can browse and book rentals. Set up inventory management systems to track availability, reservations, and returns efficiently. Also, establish processes for customer inquiries, payments, contracts, and logistics. Implement marketing strategies. Develop a marketing plan to promote your rental business. Utilize both online and offline channels to reach your target audience. Leverage social media, online directories, search engine optimization, and paid advertising to increase visibility. Attend relevant trade shows or events, collaborate with complementary businesses, and offer special promotions to attract customers. Provide excellent customer service. Focus on delivering exceptional customer service to build a positive reputation and encourage repeat business. Respond promptly to inquiries, provide clear rental terms, and ensure a smooth rental experience. Regularly collect feedback and address any issues or concerns to continuously improve your services. Expand and adapt. As your rental business grows, evaluate opportunities for expansion. Consider adding new rental categories, exploring additional locations, or introducing value-added services. Stay updated with industry trends and adapt your offerings to meet evolving customer demands and preferences. Remember that starting a rental business requires careful financial management, attention to detail, and dedication. Always comply with legal and regulatory requirements, including insurance, licensing, and safety standards, to protect your business and customers. That is all for today's video. Consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed our content. Thanks for watching.